Hello, everyone. I am going to show you something. The reason I'm showing you a shared screen today is because I want to show you a little trick about getting a line drawing. So this is a website called PicMonkey, PicMonkey.com. And I'm going to show you how to go on here, and then you go to PicMonkey.com. You see some of the creations that I've done before. And today I'm providing you with the line drawings that I've made for these cats. So you can choose which cat. I'm going to be drawing this cat, but there's another cat and there is also a kitten. So the first thing you do on PicMonkey, if you want to create a line drawing, you can also do this from your art, and it's a good way to sort of create a coloring book image that you can recolor. But also it gives you a line that's clear to trace from. So on PicMonkey, you want to click Create New, and then choose your picture from your computer, which now I have to find it. And I'm finding my cats, and put them in here, and then here's my little kitten. So now I want to edit this picture so that it's just a clear line drawing. I know to some people just a color picture is just way too much information, and so we go over here to Effects. You will see a little magic wand. Click on it. And then there's a whole line of special effects you can do. Don't choose the black and white. It's not as clear. I learned this, that you choose Tri-X. And if you would like to increase the detail, you have that option. But use Tri-X and then hit Apply. So now I have a black and white of the picture. Then go all the way down to Edge Sketch. It's near the bottom. And you will look like you lost the picture for a minute, but you can raise the level of detail, the thickness of the line, the fade, until you get the information that you need in order to be able to draw a crisp, clear picture of and lower the detail a little bit. It's kind of like about in the middle. I'm putting things about in the middle here as far as thickness of line, level of detail, and fade. And then click Apply. And then to keep these, you sorry, all these little boxes love to be back here. Up here in the upper right, find the download. Don't do the share, that just doesn't work. Download, I want to do for print, and I like to do a JPEG image. I could also do it as a PDF document. Whatever you like to do, however you would like to print that out, and then download it. It'll be a reasonable size of about 2 megabytes. The other thing you can do is, if you don't want to do a paid PicMonkey site at this point, you could do a screenshot and then trim that down to the right size. So now I've downloaded those, and I should be able to print those out. Nice 8x10. If you want to trim off the sides from that and make the 8x10 more vertical rather than horizontal like it is here. We are going to do a cat, possibly with, looking at a little soap bubble. So we would want to have the eyes focused on something. So you may want to leave a little space for that soap bubble. Anyway, that's what I have for you today. I've provided the line drawings for the cats today. And You can make line drawings from your own artwork or photos that you would like to use in your artwork by using PicMonkey. Thanks for joining me today.